2024 is going to offer many chances for traders. If you can pinpoint when a trading opportunity kicks off, you might miss out. Hello traders, it's Alain, and I hope you have a great 2024 from me and the entire We Trade Waves team. I will be here every week to keep you informed about the anticipated market moves and guide you in making the right trading decisions. So keep watching till the end and let's begin. Happy New Year, everybody. Are you ready for 2024? Let's do a sound check first of all. Before we start, if you can confirm, guys, in the chat that you can hear me clearly, we can start the session in just a few seconds. I'll wait for a bit, guys, just to confirm the sound and the screen on YouTube chat, and then we can get started. Sound is great. I'm fantastic, strong. Muna, loud and clear, perfect. Joshin, all is good. Great. So again, guys, are you ready for 2024? This year will be full of opportunities, by the way. For some reason, I'm not able to hear my voice, but it looks like everything is working perfectly. In all the cases, guys, if there is any problem, you know that we'll upload this one HD version on YouTube anyway. So let's get started. The YouTube list, first of all, guys, actually we have changed it a bit. This is the new YouTube list. We have actually included pound yen, Euro New Zealand, and the UR30 is here anyway. So this is the new YouTube list, and let's get started with Euro Dollar. For this one, what's happening, what market will be doing next, and what are the patterns? Great, guys. Thanks for confirming again. By the way, all of you are new to We Trade Wave channel, guys. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon before actually before you start watching, because this is very important. A lot of you actually are watching and saying to us, Alain, where can we find the next video? So if you subscribe, you will be notified every time we go live. Okay, so Euro Dollar for this one. This is the structure, by the way. It's a complex structure here. Mark is doing a complex structure. What is this pattern? This is an expanding flat. Okay, so we've got this expanding flat here. We've got this up wave, corrective structure, up, drop, and this looks like it's a corrective structure in the making at the moment. Okay, those of you who don't know, we are using TradingView as a charting platform, and this is Euro Dollar 4 hours chart. If I zoom in, and this one, after this drop, looks like market will push to the upside. Okay, some of the members or like some of traders, they are still waiting for this drop. Market can drop, guys. Okay, my bias for Euro Dollar is towards the upside, even if market will drop to the downside. Okay, I'm expecting market to push up from current levels or from under this low. Despite the dollar actually data that came out, I'm expecting Euro Dollar to push up. All right. Again, like I said, the bigger picture is a complex structure. We'll be trading the next waves here, step by step and wave by wave. Okay. In terms of the levels, most of you know that the levels are actually the levels are shared during the Sunday sessions. And for this one, like I said, I'll be biased to the upside, even if market push to the downside. Okay. After this corrective structure, we'll update you. If market corrects here, another up will be coming. Okay. But again, step by step, wave by wave, because this structure is a complex structure for now. If I need to take any trade, I'm looking for the buy setups for Euro Dollar. Pound dollar for this one, bigger picture, I think most of you know it. This is a running flat, this is a regular flat formation, and we've got this up wave. After that, market started to fall. This wave from here to here is a wave of its own. All right? After this drop, market started to push up. What's happening here, Alain? This can be part of the corrective structure and it's not complete. Okay, what to expect next? Even if market will fall, I'm expecting pound dollar to push up. In all the cases, this structure for me, we still need some waves here. Okay, even if we get this drop, one more push up will be coming. If I need to take any trade for pound dollar, I'm looking for the buy setups only from current levels or from under this low. Why under this low, Alain? Because here we have liquidity. Okay, if market will drop to take this liquidity, I'm looking for the buy setups here. No question. Gold for this one, market went to the upside. We've got this drop, and here I'm expecting market to push up again. Now, Alain, can the market go out to break this top once more? Yes, it can. But we need more waves here. We need more structures to actually to be sure that market push to the upside and break this top. For now, let's just trade the small waves and the small moves. First of all, if we get this drop, another push up will be coming. I'm biased to the upside, guys, for gold. Okay? My bias is toward the upside from the current levels or from under this low. In all the cases, any sell setup, I will ignore it personally. If you're in the sell, you can just manage your trades and let the market unfold. All right? Bigger picture for this one, the daily chart for gold, I think most of you know it. We were having actually liquidity above these tops here. Market took the liquidity, and then we've got this drop. I do believe that market will push up again once more. Okay? In terms of the levels, like I said, the levels will be shared by T on Sunday session. And those of you who don't know, by the way, guys, and especially WTW members, the Sunday session timings, actually we have changed them to 12 p.m. instead of 1 p.m. Okay, so all WTW members, make sure, guys, to join tomorrow's session at 12 p.m. UK time, not 1 p.m. Okay? Aussie dollar 4 hours. For this one, we've got this up wave here. I think most of you remember that we were biased to the upside after this drop. Why? Because this is a complete structure. So we've got this drop, up, corrective structure, and then drop. This was the structure in the middle here. This is called a regular flat. We've got this up wave, and now market is pushing to the upside here. In all the cases, this wave is complete, but I'm looking for the buy setups here after a corrective structure. From here, we can get more than one possibility, guys. Okay, in all the cases, I will not actually confuse you, but in all the cases, I'm looking for the buy setups for Aussie dollar. If we get a correction and you want to go for the sell, you go for it. This is a valid trade as well. After this drop, we might get another push up. This, guys, is actually market makers framework and market makers behavior as well. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting next for Aussie dollar. Corrective structure, one more fall before the next up wave if market will push to the upside. Okay, which wave to trade? Personally, I'm looking for the buy setups, this buy or this buy. If you want to go for the sells, you go for it. Dollar Swiss, I'm biased to the upside here. This is a downtrend, but the bigger picture, also we have added this one because a lot of you actually were asking us about a Swiss pair and especially dollar Swiss, so we have added this time. So for this one, this is daily chart for dollar Swiss. After this drop, market has to give us an up move. Okay, so if we go to the 4 hours now, even this is a actually strong downtrend. Okay, but this wave has to correct. If dollar will get weaker and this will push the downside to break this low, you should not miss this up wave. Okay, do not miss this up wave, guys. Means actually you wait for the setups before you get in. Okay, do not jump in, because if you jump in, if you actually over risk, overtrade, you will lose big. Do not jump in, do not over risk, and this is the wave that I'm looking for from under this low, or even if market will correct here, this is the move. In all the cases, I'm looking actually for buy setups. Okay, make sense? And yes, guys, if you can actually like and comment, that will be appreciated. Yes, all for this one, the structure, if you're following us actually in the past few weeks, this was a drop, corrective structure drop, and this is a corrective structure or part of it. In all the cases, first of all, if market will drop and continue this downtrend, you can go for the sell setups. I will wait for this one. Okay, I'll wait for one push up for the bigger picture to complete, and then if you'd like to sell, you go for it. Because from the way market is moving here, one more drop to break this low is very possible, and these lows as well. The question is from where? Can we go for the sells from here? I will wait. Okay, so for dollar, for US oil actually, if this wave will correct, we need here actually more structures. Okay, if this happens, then you can go for the sell setups. Before that, selling from here was ideal. Selling from here, it was a perfect trade, and some of us also took a sell from here, by the way. Okay, now selling from here, it's not a wise idea. Okay, so I'll wait for this one. Like I said, if market give me a corrective structure push up, this will be even better. Okay, and of course, this can actually get more complex than that. In all the cases, For now, I'll wait to get a sell setup and then we can go for the next sell, because this drop, once market actually will correct deeper, we can get a corrective structure, or most of the times we'll get a corrective structure for another drop to break this low. This is exactly what's happening here, and especially we have liquidity under these two lows. Okay, so which wave you would like to trade is up to you. Like I said, personally, I'll wait for a complete structure here. The structure is not completed yet for me. Will this be one of our trades of the week? We'll let you know during the Sunday session. For now, I'll wait more structures and I'll wait more waves. Dollar CAD for this one, this is a complete structure. It's a complete regular flat. For those of you who don't know what is this structure. By the way, guys, those of you usually ask why structure is important, because regardless of whatever strategy you use, guys, regardless of whatever concept you use, okay, if you don't master structures, you will lose. Okay, structures is the key. A structure is the king. Okay, so if you don't know and if you don't master structures, you will lose. And some of traders, they're asking us like, do you think, guys, that wave analysis will keep working? Yes. Why is that? Because even if market makers will change their framework, even if traders will change the behavior, everything will be plotted on the charts. And you can read that. If you know how to read the waves correctly, you'll be able to predict the next wave. That's the first part, okay? And once you be able to predict the next wave, and you have a strong concept, a strong methodology, and you know how to trade correctly, you'll be able to make money. And the goal is to make consistent profits, okay? So for that, for dollar CAD, after this drop, I'm expecting market to push up. Even if we get one more drop, my bias is towards the upside. Any sell setup I will ignore, and any buy setup I get, I go for it. All right, guys? This is actually for dollar CAD. If we get a buy setup, we'll go for it. Any sell setup, we will ignore it from these levels, because the sells were from here with weighted wave strategies, by the way. Okay, so this is, I don't want to actually reveal much about the strategies, but this is the perfect setup to the downside for us. Okay? Dollar yen, these drawings are here since the past few months, I would say, and most of you know the structure and how market actually went down from here. What's next? I'm expecting market to give me a corrective structure, another push up. If we get a corrective structure here, this buy will be a great buy, okay? If that happens, I'm looking for the buy setups. If you want to go for the sell, you can go for it. Even we have one possibility, which will be here an expanding flat, and market can fall once more to break this low. If this happens, we'll have a change of structure. In all the cases, I'll be focused now on the buy setups only after a complete corrective structure. Is that okay, guys? Can all of you, again, just just to see if you can hear me clearly, can you confirm on the chat, guys, before I continue to the next pair? So dollar yen, again, corrective structure is expected before the next up wave. Fantastic. Thank you very much. By the way, all of you who were in the sell from the top and are actually adding to winning positions, you can, guys, take profits once market gives you a corrective structure, okay? Just a small advice for all of you who were in the sell from the top. And again, all of you actually who are watching at the moment, if you can give us thumbs up, if you like the forecast, actually, if you can give us a thumbs up and leave a comment once we finish, that would be appreciated. Bitcoin, for this one, most of you know actually what are the news that will be coming regarding the approval of ETF, regarding the Bitcoin halving, all this stuff. Regardless, this is the bigger picture. This is the daily time frame, okay? So in the daily time frame, this is a clear expanding flat. Alain, why structures worse? Because this is analyzing all market participants' behavior, all market participants, okay? That's why waves, guys, do work. And that's why we have high accuracy and we have a lot of people, a lot of members who were actually succeeding in 2023. And I'm pretty sure a lot will succeed in 2024. Because, by the way, we have done a long-term session last Wednesday. It was conducted by T. I'll show you now shortly what was included in this one. And if you'd like to subscribe and get access to this one, let me show you this one before I continue what's next for Bitcoin, okay?
So again, thank you very much for all of you who are joining live. Those of you who doesn't know me, this is T. Again, I'm the one giving you Sundays and Wednesdays session First of all, let me just summarize the year for you. What we are expecting in this year in terms of fundamentals, in terms of important, impactful news, in terms of anything that could actually impact the financial markets. Okay. So firstly, this is the election year. We have 40 plus countries having their elections, general elections in 2024. This has never happened in the past. Okay. So again, this could change the dynamics of the world massively. There are 5 stages of human behavior, and you need to understand that 5 stages of human behavior. All of these 5 stages have an impact on our financial market. Okay. We are bringing another strategy for you. We will be actually coming up with some sort of, structural plan for you, which will be added to the course material. We are bringing the robot for you, which would actually, exponentially increase your strength in the trading. If you know, and if you have a concept. From today onwards, all of us, I don't care whether you are a good trader, I don't care whether you are a novice trader, I don't care whether you just joined, as long as your intention is to make money from the trading, that is the plan. If you follow that, I will ask you next year, have you made money? This is the first impulse. You have a corrective structure here. Now market is in this impulse here. Some people, Elliott wavers, would probably call this as a third wave, which is the longest wave, in the chart. Okay. Imagine that this is a potential third wave. What you're expecting is, because this wave is not done yet for us, I'll explain you the reason why not.
So guys, those of you who missed that session, if you would like actually to join us and succeed, guys, you can actually, this is the recording here inside the dashboard, monthly Q&A session. You can find the recording here. It was 2-hour session, like I said, and it was very important. All what was covered, I just showed you. Okay. So for Bitcoin, again, this is an expanding flat, and market will push to the upside structurally before actually any news, before any ETF approval, before any of what will happen in April, and regarding Bitcoin halving. Structurally, this will push to the upside. Now the question is, Alain, can this push like that? Yes, it can. Is this a high probability chance move? No, it's not. Technically and fundamentally, I don't think this will happen. Okay, I might be wrong, but again, I don't think this will happen. What I think market will do here, as soon as the approval will actually will be announced, you will see a pump, and then you will see a corrective structure, a drop, a pump. After this pump, you will get a dump here, and then after that, the up wave will be coming. This will be actually the real trade. Okay, so again, technically, fundamentally, whatever you want to call it, this is what I see market will be doing for Bitcoin. If you would like to trade the down wave, well, you need to be very careful. Regarding the up wave here for Bitcoin, I'll be waiting for a complete corrective structure, which means one more drop to here or even lower than that before the next up wave. I do believe this drop will be coming. Okay, for more than one reason anyway. But in regards to the levels, like I said, those levels will be discussed and shared by T during the Sunday session. And like I said, tomorrow Sunday session, guys, or from now onwards, Sunday sessions, they will start at 12 p.m., not 1 p.m. UK time. All right? Pound yen, we have added this actually to the YouTube list. This was also based on the survey, based on a lot of requests. So bigger picture, this is daily pound yen. This was a strong uptrend. It's still an uptrend, okay? And it is a strong uptrend. If we need to just ride this trend to the upside, we are still making actually high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So market can keep pushing to the upside. Corrective structure won't push up for now to here. And if market actually proves that this is the next move or this is the next wave, we'll be going to the upside to break this top once more. For now, if I go to the 4 hours now, okay, those of you who would like to trade with the trend, we are almost at the end of the trend. So personally, I will not be buying this one to the upside to break this top from current levels, okay? So if you took a buy from here, from here, from here, I believe this is more than enough, okay? Now, those of you who took the sell, because this move up, corrective structure up, pull back up, it was finished here, okay? And some of us actually took a sell to the downside. We've got this drop and market is correcting. If you wish to take a sell setup, I do believe market is not ready yet. Okay, so for this one, corrective structure, one push up before the next structure. Personally, I will stay away from pound yen until market gives me a corrective structure to the downside, or if I want to take a sell, it will be just a scalping trade. Okay, so for this one, bigger picture or like medium term, corrective structure, want to push up. Which wave to trade is up to you. Personally, I might go for the sell setups if market gives me a sell setup above these tops. If not, and market gives me a corrective structure, I'll be going for the buy setups. And by the way, I'll start trade again next week. Okay, so for this one, market will be finishing some structures almost by Tuesday, Wednesday next week. All right. Euro New Zealand for this one, this is a complete structure. Again, bigger picture, daily chart. We've got this up wave. This is an expanding flat here and up. All of this, guys, is a corrective structure, by the way. Okay. Is it completed? We still need more waves here before we say like this a complete structure. So if I go to 4 hours just to explain you what is the next wave, technically this is correcting. And even if we get one more drop, I'm looking for the buy setups because this drop here needs to correct or needs to pull back. So I'll be waiting for an up wave here, and any buy setup I get for Euro New Zealand under this low, I'll be actually taking it. Okay. Levels again, wait for market to drop to here, to these levels, 1.72, before you go for the buy setups. And these buy setups, they can be actually quite important, okay? Because this move, if I just measure the move for you, this is roughly 400, 500 pips move, okay? So if you want to trade these pairs, guys, pound yen and Euro New Zealand, make sure to pay attention to the risk management, okay? Yeah, 30, a lot of you trading this pair and trading actually the GI and US 30. We've got this up wave, again, daily. As I showed you in the long-term session, we explained this in detail, okay? But what is happening here, Alain? After this corrective structure, we've got this up wave, regular flat, up wave, 5 waves corrective structure, and then this up move. Alain, what's the difference between a regular flat and a 5-wave corrective structure? Guys, all of you are watching till the end, this is a bonus for you. Flats are always 3-wave structure. They are corrective structure and they come in a form like of 3 waves. Market also gives you sometimes 5-wave structure. So instead of this, which is 3-wave structure, market will give you a corrective structure, one more drop, and then the next up wave. Okay, this is called 5 waves corrective structure. Forget about labeling, forget about W, X, Y, X, Z, forget about actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABCs, all this stuff, because we are not here to label. We are here to trade the next structure and make money, right? We are here to trade the next wave and make money. And this is the move actually that you want to trade. This move, this move, this move, which means I always say to our members, guys, your job is to trade the next impulse. Take this note, guys, and if you focus on this one, you'll be able to make a lot of money in 2024. Okay, so for this one, after this up wave, what's next? This is a complete structure. Okay, technically it's completed, but if I need to go to lower time frames, we might get one push up here. Any up wave here, I will ignore it. Okay, even if this will push to the upside, keep pushing to the upside, I will not look for any buy setup. Market is almost ready for a drop. Technically, we can get one push up. So what will you do, Alain, here? After every new top, I will look for sell setups. Okay, after every new top, I will look for sell setups. Market can fall anytime, and this is the wave, this is the move, this is the trade. Something similar to this one minimum. So this is the trade for you for your 30. Again, don't please jump in. Most of you know us now, how we analyze the market and all the tips that I was giving you in 2023. I will not repeat them, but of course, market can do that, right? And if this will be 10% chance, this actually exists. I am not expecting this, but I'm just showing you this one. I don't want you to jump in, trade without stop loss, risk big, and lose your account, okay? I don't want any one of you in 2024, guys, to lose actually his trading account, all right? So for this one, I'm biased to the downside. Any up wave, it will be the potential last up move before the drop. I'll read your questions, guys, before we end the session. But before I read the question, let me show you WTW services, because a lot of you actually don't know how we cover, what we cover inside WTW membership. I will run just actually the services. Meanwhile, I'll be reading your questions, and after that, I'll take some of them and we end the session. All right? Guys, WTW membership is an all-in-one solution for serious traders like you. So if your goal is to become an independent, successful trader, succeed in trading, and achieve financial freedom, our mission is to help you with that. You can check all our success stories here and on our social media platform. What will you get with WTW membership? Access to the latest WTW Masterclass trading course, summarized course lesson notes in different languages: English, Spanish, French, Chinese, German, and Hindi. You will get access to our daily trading room live sessions conducted by our seniors and moderators. We have almost 2 live sessions per day. You will get access to our weekly sessions, one live on Sunday and one as an update on every Wednesday. This is what we will cover. Regarding Wednesday session, we have an example on our YouTube channel. During every Sunday live session, we give trades of the week, and at the start of every month, we give the trades of the month as well. And at the start of the year, we give the trades of the year. Those sessions will be conducted by T. Each month, we have our monthly Q&A live session. I will do them, and these sessions are recorded. You can find the recording archive inside your dashboard. And let me tell you one thing here, every session, guys, is a lesson. On your dashboard, you will have access to the useful links and tools. Those tools, guys, are needed. Also, we'll give you exclusive psychology tips that are updated on a daily basis. And most of you know that psychology is a big part to succeed in trading. If you decide to go for the monthly plan, in 3 months' time, you will get access to more strategies, how to double your account in only 3 trades, and access to our private Slack global trading community, where you can discuss charts, post charts, discuss setups with all our traders. Why we trade waves? We have a proof guide that you are successful traders. It's on our YouTube channel. You can see what our members are saying. We are rated excellent on Trustpilot. You can check our Trustpilot profile here, and I suggest you guys to go here and read what our members are saying, so you will have an idea why people have joined us and what they have achieved after few months. 12 plus years of experience, recommended by more than 1,500 traders, 42K plus subscribers on YouTube, and we have traders from more than 180 countries. Don't waste your time and money. Join us today and start learning how to trade correctly and become independent, successful trader. Alright guys, now I'll be reading actually the questions on the chat for just a few minutes before we end the session, okay? So first of all, thank you guys for your kind words, and Happy New Year to you all again. Manshi, please send us an email at info@wheatraves.com. We will answer that actually. You don't have to download. You can go to the dashboard, which is here. And this way you can access the Q&A sessions. And this is the previous actually daily sessions are here, recordings. You can access them here in this one. You don't have to download any software. You just click in this one and then you will watch it online. Okay? Yes, guys, please, if you can, like, I think 100 are watching at the moment. If we can push this one to 100 likes, and even if you are watching this one, the recording of it, if you can, guys, like and comment once we finish the stream, that will be appreciated. Any New Year discount for new members? Saifullah, I'm afraid, but no, we don't have that, okay? Again, guys, I hope like all of you are aware about the amount of I would say learnings that you will get once you join WTW membership. Remember, Weekly Waves is #1. Okay, we have full proof. I would say you can see Trustpilot, you can see how much our members are succeeding. So for this one, please, we have to give also value to what you are getting inside. Okay, if you are actually if you learn how to trade correctly, you will not need that. Okay. DXY is now moved to the indices, and it'll be covered actually on the Sunday session with T. Okay. Matembani, yes, 100%. The webinar that was conducted on Wednesday by T, I just show you actually a small video regarding that, so you know what is covered inside. Okay, so yes, it's mind blowing because what we covered inside this one, it took us like 2-3 months of research just to cover what you have covered on Wednesday. Okay. So many so many coaches selling courses, but how we know that our mentor is making money by trading and not by selling courses? In past you show us proof, but that's not enough. Isabis, this is very good question. I like it. Okay, number one, actually we are doing these sessions to help you be on the right side of the trade. Number two, I have passion. Okay, so my passion is to teach actually people how to trade, because in the past I struggled a lot to come to this level. Number three, we are building the best trading community in the world, and we are choosing traders to trade with us, investors' money. Okay, so this is the trading community. Just if you don't know, this is the Slack, and we are building actually the best traders. We have a lot of success stories inside the community, by the way, and we are choosing traders. We will be choosing also more of them later on to trade with us, investors' money, to trade big. Okay, at the same time, for this one, it's not if I'm making money. I'm making money. If you would like, please send me an email at info@tradewaves.com. I don't mind to make actually a live video with you and show you. Okay. The reason we don't show profits is it will be embarrassing for a lot of members who are trading $100, $500, 1K, 2K accounts. If I'm showing you that I'm trading like 7-digit accounts, I'm not sure how this will help you to make money. Okay. I make money from trading, because if I'm after just what you are thinking about the fees of the membership, trust me on that, this will not cover my lifestyle. All right, I hope this answered the question. Again, if you would like to actually know more about us, go to Trustpilot, go to the website, check actually how members are succeeding. That's the real answer, just to see how our members are doing, not us, because I'm making money from trading and T is making money from trading. Okay, what we are doing here is, number one, like I said, we have passion. We are helping traders to succeed, because this is what I love to do. At the same time, we are building the best trading community. We have it, but we are growing it now in the right way, I would say. Okay, so check here, see what our members are doing, and these actually some of the, I would say, pictures from the Slack. You can go to Trustpilot, and again, if you even wish to know more, no problem. Send an email at info@tradewaves.com. Say to Joe, I want to make a session with Alain. But please make sure to put your name, because just to know like this is here. Okay. Alain, can you please check DAX? To be honest, if I need to check the other pairs, it will take more than I would say 10 to 20 minutes more. All the other pairs, guys, will be covered by T during the Sunday session. If you wish to subscribe, again, don't waste, guys, 2024. Okay, all of you who wasted 2023, don't waste 2024. Okay. Weighted waves is the only solution for you to succeed in trading. Okay, I can say that because this is based on all our members' feedbacks. Strong Alain, how many pairs do you personally trade? How many pairs do you recommend? That's a very good question as well. I recommend you, after you master the concept, to trade 1 to 2 pairs max. You don't need more than that. Okay. And even if you join and you start to watch the Q&A sessions, you will see they are actually high level. So you start with the course, which is the basics. The course will be updated anyway very soon here on the dashboard. Once you watch the course, which will cover for you these topics, I would say. Okay, look at this chapter 1, 2, 3. You can read it anyway. It was covered in the video. So once you go through the course step by step, one by one, this is the step-by-step process. Okay, guys, there is no shortcut. One by one, you go to the monthly Q&A session. You can see the recording here. You scroll down and you start from the very first beginning of it, this one. And you can read the topics step by step. I'll just move up slowly so you can read the topics, okay? These topics, like I said, they are high level. So once you go through these ones, I think you will understand exactly what to trade, how to trade, and everything regarding trading. Please, can you share a yearly picture of gold? Ashish, I'm expecting gold to push up first, even to break the top. And after that, I'll be selling my physical gold. I have actually some physical gold. I'm investing in gold as well. I'll be selling all my physical gold if market will push up to break the previous top. Okay. Hi, Alain. On gold, there are a lot of fair value gaps in the high time frames at 1K level and even below. Then suggest one day it will go tap into them. WARC 101, yes, very possible, but again, I need to see more structures. Pound dollar was covered. You can watch the recording once it's finished. New Zealand dollar actually is moved to the other pairs. In general, please give motivation for 2024. Bros, that's what I do actually on every session. Okay, so every session I do the same thing. And again, guys, if we can do it, you can do it, all right? That's the main point. If our members can do it, you can do it too. In general, yes, and that's right. So many gurus selling course and not 100%, guys. That's why if they don't give you proof, again, it's not about giving you the proof. It's about actually what their members are doing. Because if I'm making money, that doesn't mean you join me and in 1 week you'll make money. Once you join Weighted Waves, guys, you need no less than 6 to 9 months to master the concept. That's why I always say, join now, learn, and then after that, risk your money. You can simply go and click the buy, click the sell based on our forecast. You might lose sometimes you might win, but again, without the knowledge, you will be gambling, okay? Are you changing the price or ECC? Not really. This is not actually in our plan, okay? Everything will stay as it is. What one thing you can say separate professional traders from semi-pro and amateur? Braemar, knowledge. Okay, knowledge is the key. Okay. Nifty again will be covered by T. Thanks, Alain. No problem, guys. So with that note, I really hope you actually you will have a great 2024. And Weighted Waivers, get ready, guys. We will be actually skyrocketing in 2024 as 2023. Okay. So with that note, I see all of you guys next Saturday. And Weighted Waivers, keep an eye on the dashboard for the session that will be conducted by T tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time. Bye bye.